Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and here is a Christmas idea for you. Very easy, anyone can do this at home. And we are making a fireplace for Santa. We're also making some candy canes right there for your tree or your chimney, fireplace, whatever. So let's start. Now here we have these little hooks, right? They are candy canes. Now where do you think that those came from? You can get tons and tons without spending money. If you have these plastic hangers in your house, in your closet, you can see that they come with two hooks right there, right? That hook snaps off very easily. So if you don't need them on your hangers, or you have hangers that you want to throw out, you can just snap them off, and then you end up with a whole bunch like this. They come in different colors, but I like the white because I can take a Sharpie marker and I can make nice red marks all over them, and then hang them on the Christmas tree. Look at that. So that's what I did, and I will add this Christmas tree to this scene here, to this setting. Then here, you see all those odd looking blocks? You can get that from your kids' toys. I don't know, maybe you can go to the Dollar Tree and get some, wooden blocks like that. Anyway, I took these two and I took some electrical tape, and that's how I made the black effect here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these against the wall right there like that. And that you can make so much out of this. Oh my god, you can even make, let's say you're making a living room space. Look at that, you can make like a dresser. There's tons of things you can make. But anyway, right now we are just making a fireplace. So we got those two, and then we have another piece. Look at that one. I can just put it right on top. Look how nicely. And you didn't have to glue anything together. Okay, then to make this effect, see that fancy ribbon? You get that at the dollar store. You can get anything you want and just, decorate your fireplace. So let's add the tree to here. Look at that. Now, let's put something on top of here. These are ornaments. These are ornaments here. Look at that. Look how cute. Then I have these coasters. These I bought at a yard sale. I think it was a yard sale or a flea market. They come in different colors. So I'm going to choose one as the rug. Look at that. Look how nice that starts looking. Then I made a handmade sofa out of felt and sponge. I used fabric for that. Then I also have other little ornaments. Look at that. Look how cute. Then I have another one here. All these things you have in your house, I'm sure. I'm very sure. And then I have this little wreath here, which is perfect for here. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that would look. Then I also have a card. Look at this old card. Look at how cute. Look at that. So you get the idea? All you need is simple stuff. Blocks, ribbons, electrical tape, marker, a hanger if you want some canes, Christmas cards, old Christmas cards. That's all you need. So this is just a simple idea for you to start your Christmas setting, your miniature Christmas setting. And I have a card here, which is a door. Look at that, how beautiful. Somehow I'm going to incorporate it in here so it can look like a door, like an entrance. Look at that. Alrighty, I hope that this helps you start creating. And thanks for watching.